Hey guys, I'm Marv.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins. So today we're going to be making a smoothie that we like to call the Very Berry Smoothie. Let's get into it. So our ingredients, we got a fourth cup of frozen strawberries, a fourth cup of frozen blueberries, a fourth cup of frozen blackberries, and a fourth cup of frozen raspberries. And then we're going to get 1.5 cup of almond milk and then 2 teaspoons of honey. We're going to add like a sweetener because when you get frozen fruits, they're not as sweet as like just regular fruits. So honey's just gonna balance that out really well. So you can get like the big package. It's called Berry Blend, and it has like the exact 4 fruits that I said before, all frozen. If you don't want to get like each one singular, and it's like really good, you can just put 1 cup of that instead of 4 cups for each fruit. So we're gonna start off by putting in the 1.5 cup of almond milk. It's really not that hard. So first the 4th cup of strawberries. Then the 4th cup of blueberries. And the 4th cup of raspberries. And lastly, a 4th cup of frozen blackberries. Okay, so I'm here now. I'm going to add in our honey. We have 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 teaspoon, and 2 teaspoons. Okay, now we're going to blend it. Where's the cap? No. Yeah, good. Okay. And so later on, if you think that you need more milk, you can add more milk. If you think you need more berries, you can add more berries. That's the good thing about smoothies, is that you can fiddle around with them because it's your smoothie. It's just, yeah. Oh, would you look at that? Okay, so in our smoothie series, we made the Green Dream, the Purple Blueberry-ish smoothie, and then somewhere up here is the this current smoothie, which is the Very Berry Smoothie. And so we're gonna taste ours and see which one we like the best out of the 3. Pretty good. Sweet, sweet, flavorful. Okay, so he will vote first.
Okay.
Just explain why you liked each one.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so I think the Green Dream smoothie, like the first one we made, was the best because like it was healthy and it was also sweet and like had a bunch of vegetables. And this one, I feel like but it was a good smoothie because it had like a lot of flavors and it was sweet. And then the Purple Blueberry smoothie, that was pretty good. So yeah, that's why my vote goes to the first one, which was the Green Dream. Okay, so he voted the Green Dream. I mean, I like the Green Dream. Just I don't know why, but it didn't suit my style. I like more of a fruity-ish. I mean, that will have more vegetables and stuff. And so this one, this Very Berry smoothie, I liked it. So my vote would go to the Purple Blueberry smoothie because it had that sweetness and like the blueberry taste kind of. And yeah, that's pretty much my vote. Okay. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos that we post. See you next time. Bye-bye.